Hello, welcome back to a new video. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm showing you a little quick something we sometimes do for lunch. This is a BLT. Something quick, simple, yet satisfying, and delicious, may I add. Okay, right here we have our bacon. This is the Member Smart Bacon from Sam's Club. Okay, I put it in the oven, the toaster oven, 400 degrees for 15 minutes. We have some Miracle Whip. Okay, I sliced some tomatoes. And we have our shredded lettuce. This is the bread that I'm using. The Hogan Rose right here. I put it on the broiler till it was brown. Okay, let's put this thing together. Alrighty, then we're gonna put some lettuce down. Okay, and we're gonna put our bacon down. And this is like 4 slices because y'all seen how I put 2 pieces together. And then we just add another one like that. Put our tomatoes up here. I cut them in half. Once I sliced them, I cut them in half again. Then we're just gonna add some pepper to our tomato. Why not? Okay, you can add salt if you want to, but the bacon is salty, so that's why I'm not doing that. And this, we just gonna close this up, and that's gonna be our sandwich. Okay, there you have it. A BLT sub, hoagie, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate your time. Until next video, have a blessed one.